Hello world, while in Conigliano we keep moving on with the construction side of the new creative hub. Here in beautiful Venice we're moving along with the setup of the Alpha Studio. And now that the furniture has arrived from London, next on our to-do list we have, let me check, we have equipment. Actually, now that I think about it, well, I think this is gonna be a hard one. My archive is in Venice region. I have always shipped my equipment back to Italy with a precise set of instructions for those who were supposed to store it. Unfortunately, my guidelines haven't always been followed, and as a result, at the moment, finding something in my archive is always incredibly challenging. Everything is stored in storage units which are packed floor to ceiling, so I can either find what I'm looking for right away or I don't find it at all because it's buried under tons of boxes. This is also why I can't wait to finish the building process of the new hub in Conigliano, so after all these years I can finally move, reorder and have everything easily accessible at one location. Crazy. Every time I come to get something from my archive is like a real challenge. These are literally packs and packs of vinyl records and synthesizer, monitor, old strobe light from the raves we used to have in the 90s. Too heavy. Okay, these were heavy. Where should we start from? Let's start from this. This is one of my scenes, and I'm gonna use this as a master keyboard for now. And how... I don't have scissors. Okay, wait. But I have these. This should work. How to open a box with a jack. Actually, this one is my first synth, and it's the first master keyboard that I had in my old studio back in the 90s. Last time I used this was probably in 1998, 9, almost there. Ta-da! I definitely packed it up well. The epic core gags free. Okay, what's next? Ooh, yeah. More synths. Actually, it's better if I put this on the floor, just in case. I have to move this. MX1, boom. TR8, of course, the lovely TV3. In here, push, push, push. Let's leave it here for now. Speakers, they traveled with me, well, from Dubai to Johannesburg, South Africa, Gabon, and London, and then back to Italy. Okay. I have to find... Back in the archive, I was only able to find one of these stands. So we're gonna position one speaker over here. There we go. And the other one right here. Because I don't have a second stand for now. I think the second one is buried under tons of boxes and just couldn't find it. What's left? Okay. I would love to open these last 3 boxes, but I have a very important meetup with a mystery guest and I don't want to miss this. So don't worry, we're gonna open these boxes together next time. For now, I'll let you guess what's inside. You can try to guess, you can leave your thoughts in the comments below. There is one hint to actually find out what's inside of them. None of the boxes represent the actual content, by the way, so... But there is one hint. I'll leave it to you. Boom. And I'm off.
Oh my.
Surprise! Look who moved.
You scared me.
Okay, can I sit next to you?
Yeah, of course you can.
Cool.
It's a small bench, but it's fine.
Okay. look who moved from London to Venice as well. Remember Chiara from the
biggest pine cone and the squirrels.
Chiara loves animals. The world's biggest pine cone episode that we shot in Bishop Park in London,
Yeah,
right?
true thing. Yep.
How was the trip?
Oh, it was fine. It's good to be back home here in Venice. I'm one of the few who was really born here.
So you're an original Venetian.
Yeah, I am indeed. How was with the 350 kilograms with all of the furniture and boxes?
I picked it up, and it's all in the studio. It's been a hard lift, and I must admit, like it took me like a good 3 hours work to unpack everything and bring it back to the studio.
Not too bad.
Shall we go and eat something?
Let's do it.